Where is the fuse box located in the 2023 GMC Acadia, and what does the diagram show? The fuse box is typically found under the hood or inside the cabin, with the diagram detailing the function of each fuse for easy troubleshooting. Engine compartment fuse block. The engine compartment fuse block in the 2023 GMC Acadia features a well-organized layout that houses fuses for critical systems such as the engine, cooling fans, and headlights. It offers easy access for maintenance and includes labeled fuse positions for quick identification, ensuring protection against electrical overloads and helping to maintain the vehicle's optimal performance. Instrument panel fuse block. The instrument panel fuse block in the 2023 GMC Acadia provides protection for interior electrical systems like power windows, audio, and interior lighting. It features clearly labeled fuses for easy identification and replacement, ensuring quick troubleshooting. Its compact design is conveniently located within the cabin for accessible maintenance and system protection. Rear compartment fuse block. The rear compartment fuse block in the 2023 GMC Acadia controls electrical components in the rear, such as the tail lights, rear wiper, and power liftgate. It features clearly marked fuses for easy identification and replacement, offering protection against electrical faults in rear systems. Its concealed location ensures it remains protected while still accessible for maintenance.
type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuse and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe us for more videos. Thanks for watching.